I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming compatibility and creating a safety backup so nothing is lost. First, power down and ground yourself. Anti-static measures prevent damage. Next, locate the M2 or SATA slot on your motherboard and remove any obstructing brackets. Once done, open your disk management tool so you can initialize the drive immediately after installation. Make sure to have the correct screws and, if applicable, a thermal pad for NVMe to maintain performance and avoid throttling. You now install the SSD and configure it for use. Gently insert the drive at the specified angle for M2 or attach the SATA cable for 2. 5. Secure the screw and add a thermal pad if needed. Next, boot into your OS installer or existing system and initialize the disk as GPT for modern systems. Create partitions and format with NTFS or XFAT as required. If replacing a boot drive, use a cloning utility to copy your OS. Then verify boot order. Finish by optimizing and testing the SSD so you get full life and speed. Enable Trim and OSI in BIOS or OS, update firmware, and install the latest storage drivers. Then run a quick benchmark and monitor temperatures under load. Once done, move frequently used apps to the SSD for fastest responsiveness. If something goes wrong, make sure to check physical connections and BIOS mode first. If the system still won't boot, restore from your backup or use the cloned image to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.